Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I just want to say that I am still sick. I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice, so my voice is still super nasally. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know in advance, so if you think my voice sounds weird, it is because I am sick. But besides that, I am very excited to show you my new Chanel card holder. I did kind of hint that I was about to purchase this item in my last video, which I talk about like my SLG recommendations, but I was fortunate and able to be able to pick up this card holder. It is part of the new collection that just came out, so it is part of their cruise collection for fall winter, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So with that, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the box it came in, and I did get this at the Chanel boutique. So my other card holder only was like, I think, released at like the retail stores. So I think how Chanel does it, and if you guys know more about this, you can comment down below. But I feel like with their releases, some of their releases go strictly to the retail stores, and they get like a very limited quantity, and then like another style or another colorway will go into like the actual boutique stores, and they'll also get a limited quantity. I don't believe that both would get the same colors. I think very rarely that they do have the same colors, but if I'm totally wrong, just let me know in the comment section. This is just what I've been told by like the customer service whenever I do call up, that it's kind of usually one or the other. Otherwise, I just purchased this in the boutique. It did come with a little camellia flower, beautiful black shopping bag, but I know that's not why you guys are here, so let me just unbox this for you guys. So it came in this really cute ribbon that says Chanel on it. My first card holder I received from a retail like outlet or chain that sells Chanel, not like the actual boutique itself. So I didn't get this similar wrapping. I did get like the box and the dust bag and I think like the care card, but I didn't like get like this presented with like the flower and like the ribbon. I also did order online. I don't know if you guys can't order Chanel online, but they allowed me to order it over the phone, and they shipped it to my address. But this one I actually did purchase in person, so this is my first ever like purchase at the actual boutique. I do have like Chanel shoes and like a GST bag, but as you guys know, my bag was pre-loved, and the other two I just didn't purchase at the boutique. And also super cute, the little flower says Chanel, and it just has like my receipt inside. Finally, what you guys are actually waiting for, the Chanel box. So it came also in this cute little flower, ribbon, and the black box. Let's see if I can just put that over there, you guys can see, and let me just open it. These are the care instructions. Yes. This is the dust bag. And this is the card holder. I don't know for you guys. It is such a pretty light blue. It almost has like, I feel like it has like a green undertone in it. It's not like super baby blue, but it's not super baby blue. It almost kind of reminds me, a lot of people have been saying it kind of looks similar to like the Tiffanyblue. I don't own anything Tiffany. I'm trying to think of like, I think it's a little different. I feel like Tiffany's a little more like a greener, a little more like a greener tint. I'm not too sure. I've never got anything from Tiffany, so I'm not 100% sure. Actually, sorry guys, I forgot I have the Tiffany Perfume. So those are two together. I guess it's pretty similar. I don't know if this is the exact blue that they use. I would assume it is the exact blue that they use. But yes. So actually, yeah, it is very similar to the Tiffanyblue. And let's see. They just actually, oh, this is the authenticity card. authenticity card. This is the thing. I don't know if he's reading it. If you guys were wondering, or if you were inquiring about this specific card holder, this is like the reference number on it. They did just increase their prices. So I think when I recently purchased my other card holder, it was $400. Now it's $425. This is made in Spain. My other one was made in Italy. This is the caviar leather, so it is extremely durable. It's also the same leather as my GST. So I've never had or owned the lambskin. I mean, in my espadrilles, they are lambskin leather, but for majority of like this in my bag and my other card holder, I believe, well, my other card holder is denim, but here I think is caviar, I believe, on the top of it. But this one is just strictly caviar. It's not like an iridescent color. My other card holder and a lot of colors that Chanel does come out with have like that really nice iridescent like sheen to it. But this one is kind of just like a light blue silver hardware. And it does have like the middle pocket, side pocket, and other side pocket. Not much else. I mean, there's limited quantity, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this one, I would definitely recommend calling the Chanel like customer service number and checking if they still have this in stock. They have these in not just a card holder. I couldn't find this online. I was looking online. I didn't see this online, like the specific card holder in this color. So it was extremely difficult to locate. I had to call the customer service like 3 times. And I did have someone, I follow someone on Instagram who has a really nice Chanel collection, and she was extremely helpful in helping me find the reference code, and that's how I purchased this. So I'm very thankful that she was able to help me with that. And I mean, they do have this in like the medium flat bag, I believe, or just like a Chanel classic handbag. I'm not too sure what size. They do have this in other SLGs, so if you guys really like this colorway but you aren't really a fan of like the card holders, or it just doesn't fit your lifestyle, I would definitely check out the website because they do have this colorway in other SLG forms. But that's really it for this video. I just wanted this to be a quick, unboxing reveal video. Maybe in a couple months time I could do like a wear and tear on this card holder, because my other card holder is denim, so the wear and tear are going to be completely different between the 2 card holders. If you guys are interested in seeing the wear and tear on the caviar leather, and specifically this light colorway, please just let me know down in the comment section. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos by me, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys very soon.